thing. Because paper and print next school year.
Woo! Look at this baby.
Good, thanks.
Yo, y'all inspired me when you're like, I get a text, I do that shit right now, and I was like, oh shit, I better do this shit right now. A few views right now. Pretty crazy out here. Already been a pretty active day, paddle boarding, a little bit of strolling in the hills. You know how we do.
Yeah, if I tumble down, and then catch me, right?
We're out here with Thar and Brian. Woo -woo. Get some action shots at Thar. We'll find on the trail.
Try to keep all my pictures and
He's just like me. Last day at the beach with Thar.
They joined the queue of people being signed out by Filch, occasionally catching each other's eye.
What's up guys, it's Eric B here. We're en route to the hospital. Probably a pain scale of 6 or 7 out of 10. And you know I'm a real one with pain, so let's see how I do. Just totally destroyed this one today. Alright, we're up in here. Super clutch. No line. And we're a little booked to go with the ice. Whew, in the system. Woo! We made it into the waiting room. Into my little room. And I'm still feeling pretty painful. But we out here. Little broken hand vlog. Post beach vlog. Let's go. Alright, so we got the digital image. This is my hand. This is my hand right here. Crazy. So guys, doctor told me some good news. I probably just hyperflexed it and it is not broken. No noticeable broken bones. Probably like a 7 out of 10 pain scale still, even though I got like a little Motrin 400 times 2. Whew. Oh man, I'm burning up here, dying. Oh my. Whew. Worst pain I've had for such a long time. Respect to all those pain junkies out there getting hurt, doing all the adrenaline sports. Like get back up on the saddle and do it again. Respect. Woo. They can't stop me, even if they've stopped me. Wrist scar, no break. We're gonna keep it going. In 2 weeks, I'll be back at it. So catch me on the water soon. Unless the expert tells me otherwise, we're good to go. On the road back home. Walking around downtown Disney right now. Everything is closed, quarantine, but still allowed to walk around. Pretty crazy. California Adventure Side, crazy. Dead. Well, it's like 4 o'clock too and it's dead. At the gates of Disneyland California Adventures. We're all locked out now, pretty crazy. Queued up right now to go inside the store. Just outside of the Disney store right now at downtown Disney, quarantine edition, so we gotta stay in a little line to get in, but I guess it's fine. We're about to go in right now.
oh, this is cool.
At Disneyland with my new mask on. Her mom, you wanna see them now?